All right, we're given a function here. I'm going to write it off to the side. F of x equals x squared plus 2x. And I'm also given another function, g of x equals the square root of x plus 1. We're asked to evaluate each of the composite functions. And let's start with the first one, g of x minus 2. So I'm taking this red equation down here, and instead of x, wherever I see x, I'm going to plug in x minus 2. So I plug in x minus 2, and when I go through that, negative 2 plus 1, I'm going to simplify to just x minus 1. So g of x minus 2 equals the square root of x minus 1. Second one here, f of g of 8. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to work inside out. So g of 8 equals the square root of 8 plus 1. So I got g of 8 equals the square root of 9, which in this case here, I'm going to call positive 3. Is there technically two answers? Maybe, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with just the positive 3 here instead of plus or minus. And then I need to plug that back into f. So f of 3 then becomes 3 squared plus 2 times 3, which is 9 plus 6, which is 15. So f of g of 8 equals 15. Next one here, let's see if I can keep this f of x and stuff inside here. So I got this one here, f of 8 is on the inside. So I'm going to, again, work inside out, deal with f of 8 first. So I got 8 squared plus 2x. Sorry, 2 times 8. That's my bad. And so that gives us 64 plus 16, which gives me 80. And then I'm going to plug that into g here. And so I'm going to do g of 80 equals the square root, 80 plus 1. Which again, I'm just going to go ahead and use the positive value here. So g of f of 8 equals the square root of 81, which is 9. And let's see if I can just take this with me. Nice. Okay, so f of 1. To deal with that, I'm working inside out. So f of 1 equals 1 squared plus 2 times 1, which is 1 plus 2, which is 3. And then I'm going to plug that in for f. So f of 3 equals 3 squared plus 2 times 3, 9 plus 6. And f of 1 also equals 15. Next, we got f of x plus 1. I'm going to have to take this with us again. Oh man, this is a long problem. All right, this is here. We got f of x plus 1, so I'm going to rewrite this as anywhere I see x, I'm going to instead put x plus 1. And I'm going to simplify. So here I'm going to do x plus 1 squared and use the box here to help me. I'm going fairly quick on this because I'm hoping y'all are feeling more comfortable with multiplying soon. And then I'm going to distribute. So I got x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 2. Simplify that to get x squared plus 4x, because I'm combining like terms, plus 3. So f of x plus 1, I'm going to just rewrite one more time here. There we go. And I think is one more, hopefully just one more. We'll see. Maybe there's 100 more. Maybe this video is going to go on forever. All right, we're going to go f of x inside of g of x. So I'm going to plug in all of f of x in wherever I see an x. So what that means, I'm going to take the square root of x squared plus 2x plus 1. And I'm going to go ahead and factor this. So I'm going to, what multiplies to 1 that adds to 2. Okay, that's going to, then I'm going to put this in a box. X squared, x, 1. Again, I'm going fairly quickly through this because I'm hoping y'all know how to factor. So really what I'm going to get is the square root of x plus 1 times x plus 1, which is the square root of x plus 1 squared. And then the square root and the square cancel out. So I'm left with my final answer here of g of f of x equals x plus 1.